Hello everybody. Okay, so I forgot to do a video before I left home, but today is week 6 and this is my first retwist day. So it's good and dirty, dry, so you can see some of how much my hair has grown in the dirt because I didn't wash it. I called up here, they told me I could wash it, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm just sitting in my truck and finna go in here in a few minutes and get this snatched back. Ooh, my hand ash snatched back. All right. All right, everybody. I am so excited. I am back. I just got home from getting my first retighten. I keep saying getting a retwist, but it's retightening. It looks so good. I love the way it turned out. My back of my hair is already starting to curl. Um, I had her to take. Ooh, sorry. I had her to take pictures for me because I told her I was documenting my journey. The back looks so good. My hair has, I know, 3 different textures. I'm not for sure if that's all, but I know it has 3 different textures. So stuff take at certain parts than the other. And I'm just sitting in this chair sideways because I just got a 6-needle embroidery machine. It's sitting in my floor because I have no space. So I'm just cramming in. But yeah, but I wanted to come home and show how it looked after I got home from my appointment. See, it has shrinking or shrunk back up. Yeah, but I know it's gonna drop. It's still technically wet from when they did it because you don't get any heat or anything on it. They just wash it and then starting the retightening product process. And my hair is going through a detox from products because I'm used to putting all kind of products in my hair, and to go drastic from something to nothing. It's a process, but I love the way that it turned out. Like I said, especially the back is so pretty. I will insert the photos to this video, and I forgot to do a clip before I left to show you I was in the truck, so I'll add that as well. So this is week 6, my first retightening, and I wanted to sort of keep it at 6 weeks because it didn't grow out extremely long, but it wasn't extremely short either. But the 6 weeks would have been Thanksgiving. So I'm going to go back the first week in December. And then I'm going to see, then I may extend it out further because different people opinion is different when it comes to locks. Some people say that you shouldn't get it tightened so often. Some say once a month. I'm just going to go by how my hair look because, honey, I'm not with that rough head. I'm not about that life. But the good thing about it is if I do go longer, I know how to sew. So I make wraps and all that kind of stuff. I can wrap it up when I want to. But another thing, my edges have came in. They're coming in. I wear glasses, so let me they are growing some. I'm so excited to have some edges, y'all. My little edges coming in. Hey, look at that. Little edges. This little piece, which was right there, they coming in a little bit. Hey, come through edges. Y'all, it's the little things. It's the little things, okay? All right, so I'll be back with another video. The struggle has been real. Okay, bye.